Whatever. It doesn't matter.
Come on up.
It is what it is. I love dads. Let's back sit over here.
Sit on the other bench.
Table.
Might be a good idea.
Table. Do you want to take your earring out? Ah, passes!
Catch the ball, boys.
Worry about pass. Yeah. Yeah. It fell on. Yeah.
To the nose. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Your sunglasses okay?
Ball!
More importantly,
My son.
Good call.
Nobody cares about you. They're all about Heather. She got hit in the face.
Muddy!
I'm like, what about Tara? She can take a hit.
For what? Oh, man. That's called defense, dude. That's brutal call.
A technical foul's 2 minutes?
No, it's 30 seconds.
What's the difference between a regular and a technical?
Technical is just 30 seconds.
Okay.
That's a horrible call, man.
Go, defense!
Let's go. Step up, D.
Muddy!
Come on, Peter!
Hug the post, Shane. Hug the post.
Oh, Shane, stay in the goal. It's offside.
not that I.
Oh! Shot. Loose ball push.
It's a good thing it wasn't one of the. It's a good thing it wasn't one of the 9th grade boys that landed on her.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Tara, you already know those things?
Yeah, that's fine.
You got any
Oh,
blood?
boy.
Oh,
Put it on net, Max.
You okay?
Good try. Good job, Steph.